The word altercation refers to a heated or angry dispute or argument between people. It often involves verbal confrontation and can escalate to physical conflict. The term is used to describe a more intense and contentious disagreement than a simple disagreement or quarrel. For example, NBA player Draymond Green was recently suspended for escalating an on-court altercation. Here's a picture of that escalation. And while we are on the topic of sports altercations, here's a photo of Gabrielle and Jordan Henderson getting into a verbal altercation after Liverpool defeated Arsenal. The intensity of an altercation can vary, but the key aspect is that it involved a heightened level of disagreement that may extend beyond words to include physical interactions. The word altercation is composed of the root alter, which is Latin for other. So when people have an altercation, they clearly have other or different views from one another. Synonyms of altercation are argument, quarrel, squabble, fight, and shouting match. When it comes to altercations, there are environments where they are more accepted than others. For example, sporting events often include altercations because of the nature of physical competition. It doesn't mean it is okay for athletes to get into altercations, but it is tolerated. When it comes to interactions between students and teachers, however, altercations are typically not accepted. There can be disagreement and conflict between teacher and students, but that should not lead to an altercation. In summary, an altercation is a specific type of intense and often heated argument or disagreement between individuals or groups. It typically involves strong emotions, such as anger or hostility. It can range from verbal disputes to physical confrontations. An altercation implies a more intense and confrontational nature than a simple disagreement or casual quarrel. Now that you know what altercation means, here's your task. You need to write your ideas on when you think it is acceptable to get into an altercation. Is it acceptable to get into an altercation if someone makes fun of you? How about if someone threatens to fight your brother? When is it acceptable to engage in a heated argument or disagreement with someone? Be specific with your answer and give details. So once again, when is it acceptable to get into an altercation?